That was 6 OK Boss Part 6 Soundtrack Effect. And I'll give you all the chances of which one's your favorite, because if which one's your favorite, tell me, comment down below. Because this is the thing, you push the buttons and it makes noises. It says it's a pocket phone excuses. So I'll show you all of them, and then we'll be done for the video. Comment down below which one that was. Now I know what you guys think, because you know what it is already. See? Grandma, say hi to the camera.
Hi, Dallas.
Hi. If you've seen last video, I put Grandpa on YouTube.
Chinese food delivery.
Grandma, say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Watch some more videos. Comment down below which all those 6 sound effects buttons were. So comment down below. Those will be in the top 5 best if I can get that in there. Well, next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and share the love. Peace.